So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung S9, the T-Mobile version and the regular version. So yeah, let's get it open. So take off that sleeve, and I got the midnight black.
I've been waiting so long.
Okay, so open it up here, and ooh, very nice. Pull this tab, and we have just random stuff in here, I'm guessing. Okay, so we have some manuals here, and oh, we have the phone itself. Here we have the Samsung Galaxy S9, so let's turn it on. Oh, there you go. And it's on. We're booting up for the first time, and I think that's about it in this box. We might have a little bit more in here. Oh, yes. We have a SIM card. Oh, there it is. And we have this little connector here, and it's for USB-C to regular USB. And we have the cube, a little cube here. Oh, and all of the good stuff. We have USB Type-C charging cable, a nice pair of earphones, those are always handy, and a bunch of those like replacement thingies for the earbuds. And I think that's about it in this box. So far it's really fast. It's really nice. This is my first upgraded phone from my S4, and it's really nice to have a upgraded phone. Where's my other phone? Well, it's right now, my phone is upstairs. I'm currently charging the battery, and that one I'm using right now is the S5. It's my brother's old phone, and it's not in the best condition. That's why I got this one. The charging port here at the bottom of the S5 that I have is broken, so I can't charge it through plugging it in. I have to pull the battery out, and then I have this little wall adapter for the battery, and I plug that into the wall every night. It was working for the first couple of weeks, but now it's kind of annoying that I always have to have like a wall charger with me, and if I don't have a wall charger, then I pretty much can't use my phone and when the battery dies. So having something I can charge with, and once you don't have it, you really start to appreciate that charging port. So appreciate your charging ports, everybody. So right now I'm using it, and I still haven't taken off the screen protector, because look, it's a free screen protector. It's just, you just have to work with, you know, that stuff in the front. But other than that, it's a free screen protector, so I'll keep it on for a little bit. But I'm using it right now, and I'm getting lots of fingerprints here on the back of the phone. But you know, there's still like a protective layering over it, and you know, it's not on the actual phone, but still I'm gonna have a lot of fingerprints on here once I take this off. 99% sure I'm gonna get a case for this. So yeah, I'm using it a little bit now, and so far it's really nice. I really like it. It's super nice to finally have a phone that's more current, and you know, I'm just excited to have a current generation smartphone that's, you know, fairly new. If you guys want to know my thoughts on it, I'll be using it over time, you know, and just give my thoughts on it if you guys want to see that. But yeah, so thank you for watching this unboxing, first impressions thing. Mostly unboxing, because I didn't really go much into the phone itself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a like if you liked the video. Comment down what you guys think of the S9, or if you have an S9. Subscribe if you want to see more content from us. We make unboxings and reviews and overall tech stuff in general. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, definitely subscribe, and we'll continue putting out videos. But with all that said, thank you guys for watching, and catch you later.